another Madden Mobile video, and today we're going to do some pack openings, spend all this 40K on some pro packs. Here we go, rip into the first pro pack, reveal all, and we're going to get KJ right. We're going to update that team. We're going to have another pro pack. Alright, we got Mike Glennon, so that's our gold card. Can we pull? Oh, we pull up 80 overall punter. That is a good pull. After this, I'll have to see what he goes for. On to our third pro pack. Bronze Leaf, Quentin Copels. Fourth pro pack. So what we get? A Bronze Leaf, LaRon Landry. We got one more pro pack. Can we clutch it out? And we're going to get a 79 overall offensive guard. So let's check how much that punter goes for. There'll be another pack opening tomorrow. What was that punter I got? The punter I got. Here he is. Huber. Auctions. Punter. I think it was on the Bengals. Bengals. Price. Actually, I don't care. Huber. I'm seeing 60s, 50s. Let's try 55. 55. Ooh. 60? Wait, was that 60? No, 6,000. 60. We got 59, 59. So I'm going to put it up for 5777. And we just made hella coins back. That's always good. 57777. 56666. Hope you guys enjoyed this pack opening. I'll see you in the next pack opening. See you in the next Madden Mobile video. See you either later or tomorrow. Peace.